Hi, Rob Karpik, Chief Revenue Officer for i5LED. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and we are debuting one of the most beautiful screens that you will see. This is actually part of our Icon innovation line. However, we're in partnership with NovaStar, and they have created a new driver chip that really enhances the beauty of this display. What you're going to find here is that the chip actually modulates the energy to the different pixels depending on energy need. So this display actually uses less energy, produces less heat, and it creates a bright, brilliant display. Where it really shines is at low light environments. So you could dial this back to 15% and still have the same beautiful, bright display that you see right here. Really interested in talking more about this, come see us at booth 8285, InfoComm 2026, www.i5led.com.